Alright, y'all. Didn't make the light. A little bit of a different video today. I was just driving over here, and I happened to notice something up with the previous Take 5 site, north side of McCann here in Longview. It makes me really excited. I don't want to spoil it yet, so. I don't think it appears to be open yet, but local car wash took this site over. That makes me really excited, because the Tyler site I went to was really awesome. Trying to slow down, get a quick pano or whatever. Don't think it's open yet, but get that. Oh, I'm really excited to see what that's gonna look like soon when it opens. So yeah. Is it open? I think it's open. Free car wash. Oh, text to that number. I think it's open. Alright, y'all, brand new car wash here in Longview, Texas, and it's actually the place that I predicted would come here. So yeah, this is the new, the local wash, not to be confused with the other one. I didn't see any date or notification on any social media about when it opened. I'm gonna slow down so y'all get the prices. 10-15, yeah, big 4. Alright, it does take cash. I'm gonna do that. I still got plenty of 20s around. This is really exciting. I'm really excited, yeah, for this one.
Choose your method of payment. Deposit cash or coins below at any time.
Didn't know it was open, so I don't have my camera. But this will work. I still have the dash cam going, so.
For a receipt, press print. Please pull into the wash bay.
Alright, y'all. Thank you very much. Air freshener. Yep. Just like last time. Yeah, really excited. Don't know how long this has been open for, but I think within the past week, if I had to guess. But didn't see any notification of an exact date when this place opened, but alright, here we go. Looks like we got MacNeil. I feel like this feeling this might be, I don't know, this could be the original equipment just rewired and stuff, or it could be brand new. It's actually kind of hard to tell. It's got the older blue MacNeil dryers with it as well. My car really needs a wash because it started turning yellow from all the pollen around here. Yep, they got their same amber and blue light setup, which I kind of like. This could be the original equipment just rewired and stuff, or it could be brand new. It's actually kind of hard to tell. It's got the older blue MacNeil dryers with it as well. My car really needs a wash because it started turning yellow from all the pollen around here. Yep, they got their same amber and blue light setup, which I kind of like. Hasn't been washed in quite a while, so yeah, pretty nice. Glad this place is open. Well, without further ado, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed, and that'll be it.